Now here the question is, let S be the area of the region enclosed by y equals e to the power minus x square, y equals 0, x equals 0 and x equals 1. Then which of the following options is or are correct? Now if we look at this function, which is y equals e to the power minus x square, then dy by dx will be e to the power minus x square into minus 2x. Now when x lies between 0 and 1, this is less than 0. So that means this function, it is a decreasing function. So we can draw an approximate graph of this function like this. Now at 0, this value is 1. And at 1, this value is 1 upon e. So we are talking about area of this region S. So this area, it is S. Now we need to compare this area with the given values. Now the first one is 1 upon e. Now if we consider area of this rectangle, area of this rectangle is less than area enclosed by this curve. So this S will be greater than area of this rectangle, and area of this rectangle is simply 1 by e into 1. So from here we can say S is always greater than 1 by e. That means option A is correct. Now for second option, what we can do is we can compare this function e to the power minus x square and e to the power minus x. Now when x lies between 0 and 1, x square is less than x, minus x square will be greater than minus x, that is e to the power minus x square will be greater than e to the power minus x. Now we'll integrate from 0 to 1. Then this is S and this S will be greater than e to the power minus x upon minus 1 from 0 to 1. So we can write this S will be greater than 1 minus 1 upon e. So this S, it is greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 upon e. That means option B is also correct. Now in options C and D, what we see is 1 upon under root e, and 1 upon under root e is nothing but e to the power minus 1 by 2, and for e to the power minus 1 by 2, we have to consider x as 1 by root 2. So if we consider the value at 1 by root 2, this value, it will be simply 1 upon under root e. Now what we'll do is, we'll consider the approximate area of this function using two rectangles approximated by higher values. So in this case, this S, it will be less than areas of these two rectangles. Now area of first rectangle will be 1 into 1 by root 2 minus 0, and then plus the area of this second rectangle, which is 1 upon under root e into 1 minus 1 by root 2. So from here we'll say S is less than 1 by root 2 plus 1 upon under root e 1 minus 1 by root 2, which is your option D. So option D is also correct. Now for this third option, what we'll do is, we'll consider area of this trapezium ABCD. Now area of trapezium ABCD, it will be 1 by 2 and then A plus B. Now A plus B is 1 plus 1 upon under root e into this height, which is 1 by root 2. So this value will be 1 upon 2 root 2 1 plus 1 upon under root e. Now 1 upon 2 root 2 1 plus root e will be greater than 1 by 4 1 plus 1 upon under root e. Now we need to find some relationship between area under this curve and area of this trapezium. And for that, what we'll do is, for this function, we have already calculated dy by dx. We'll find its second derivative. So we'll find d2y upon dx square. Now d2y upon dx square will be e to the power minus x square into minus 2 and then plus e to the power minus x square into 4x square. So we'll get this is e to the power minus x square into 2 and then 2x square minus 1. Now when x lies between 0 and 1 by root 2, this value is negative. So that means between 0 and 1 by root 2, this function is concave down. So actually this graph, it should be concave down like this. Now in this case, if we consider this area, it will be greater than area of this trapezium. So if we consider entire area bounded by this function, then clearly this S will be greater than 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 upon under root E. That means option C, it cannot be correct. So the correct options are A, B and D.